Hi there, this is Pablo from Anima. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a video to your Adobe XD prototype or website using Anima. The source can be videos from YouTube, Vimeo, or an MP4 URL. But Anima also allows you to embed GIFs and Lottie animation files. To achieve this, we can create a rectangle, or in this case, an image, that will act as a placeholder for the video. While the placeholder is selected, we will go to the Anima panel and select the Video GIF Lottie option under Smart Layers. In this window, we will paste the direct URL to our source, YouTube, Vimeo, or the MP4 URL, or the URL to the GIF and Lottie files. Next, we're going to select the playback settings and click Save. You can also upload files from your own computer, and Anima will help you generate a URL. Go to your project settings in the web app and click on the Files tab. Here, you can upload your MP4, GIF, or Lottie.js files. Now copy the generator URL and go back to Adobe XD and paste it here. It's that easy. Please like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to get more tutorials. Make sure to get the demo file. The link is in the description.